Welcome to the TaxTron Web tutorial video series. Today, in this video we will be discussing how to claim medical expenses. Under Deductions we want to click on Deductions and then on Deduction Profile. Where it says, did you have medical expenses for yourself, your spouse, or your dependents? We want to select Yes. You will then see Medical Expenses appear on the left. We want to click on this and from the drop-down menu select the family member for whom we will be claiming the medical expenses. You will then see a list appear. Under Medical Expense Type, you want to click on the drop-down menu and select the type of expense you are claiming. Under Payment, you want to enter the name of the organization or individual you received the services from. You will then give a brief description under the description heading of this medical expense such as prescription drugs, dental, optometrist, etc. Under the Amount section, you want to enter the total amount you wish to claim for each expense. You can combine similar expenses and add them up since there are only a limited number of rows. For multiple family members, click on the plus arrow and follow the same process for each member. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.